Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust the brightness in Crimson Desert. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Do so by pressing down the escape key or the menu key on your controller. Then in the side menu select Others. From here make sure you are in Options and go to Settings. Make sure you are in the Video tab. Then simply select the brightness adjustment at the bottom. Press the corresponding button next to this to open this menu. Here you can manually adjust the brightness or the gamma value. I will leave it at 50 because I think that's the best for me, but you can always set it to default. And well, that's it. Once that's done, please remember to hit apply to actually apply the settings. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.